Good day, I'm Deofrey baconguis of addeya'eyyah Technical and Safety Devices, installer of fire protection instruments such as sprinkler, fire hose cabinet, fire protection room, and now I'm gonna install pump machine for our fire protection fire hose rail box. Now, this is a fixed machine. This is a 300 GPM machine, and this is the electrical machine, and this is the diesel machine, and this is the jockey pump. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one by one pipe for these three machines. It is depend on what engineering drawing give us. That's why we follow whatever they want, and then we will start. Now this is from electrical going to here, this side, and going to this side as pipe. And then this jockey pump is going to this pipe, and this pipe is going directly here.
Sida.
Actually, this is 2 by half-inch pipe, and now we're gonna have a reducer 4" by 2.5 goes because our main line is for here a gate valve and a alarm check valve. And from now we're gonna start together with my welder pasang serpa.
Thank you very much.
Welder pasang serpa.
Thank you very much.
And now we're gonna start our pipe welding together with my welder pasang serpa. This pasang serpa, my welder, and we're gonna start the pipe, first pipe from this electrical machine pump. Go. Hello, good morning again. Now, I guess we finished this pipe already for this electrical pump going to that other side. So we just need a little cleaning and then painting, and then we will install together with this pipe. And now we're gonna install pipe directly here in this main line. So the main branch is 4" and then the connection to the pump is 2.5. So we need this reducer from 4" to 2.5. So I guess we're gonna start now. We're gonna check how much the distance, and guess we will maybe cut it because this is more longer. Okay, thank you. So now I already cut this pipe, so we will now install this elbow, and we'll get the distance from here to here. Okay. 30 centimeters. Okay, we will cut now the pipe. Thank you. Now we're gonna cut this 30 centimeters for this diesel machine pump connection.
ये ऑटो ये भी बड़ा है दास छोटे कट चलो मेरा हाथ में आ रहा पहुंच रहा
I finished the spool for this connection, the elbow. So after this we will gonna install. But now we will first clean this, and we need this to bevel, same as this. Okay, now since we finish our welding for our diesel pump machine pipe goes to the tank, and now we are temporarily put this electrical
मकीना
pipe to his main line. And now next we're gonna put a line to our jockey pump, go to our 2-inch pipe. Now since the hole from our jockey pipe is 1 1/4, we gotta need a reducer, 2-inch to 1 1/4, because our main line for our jockey pump is 2-inch. Now the plan is, the engineering told us that this pipe goes here, but an elbow here, but an elbow here, but in connection here. So now I'm gonna cut 2-inch pipe. Threading the pipe, 2-inch pipe, we have a sealant gasket, and what we call instead of using Teflon tape, we're using here we call this hot thread. This came from the wood and make out of put, and this is what we put here instead of Teflon. From now, I will introduce you the machine. This is the threading machine, and it can trade. This threading machine can trade 1/2 inch to 2-inch pipe.
Down. You tightening? Tightening?
Yes.
Threading good? خلاص finish.
Since we finish our pipelines from our machines through the main lines, usually we are only the regular normal connection. We are only one pipe for the sanction connection. But since the engineer want one by one, so we make it like this. Here is the electrical pipe, electrical pump, and jockey pump connection, and the diesel pump connection. So now I'm in the process of typing now. After this typing, we go on final welding. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ratatina kacang kasuri. लाभ है Hah? Sampai mati. Bisa
Good day. As you can see, we are almost done with our sanction pipe from the tank to the machine and to the distribution pipe. So now, as you can see, this is what we call the bleeding pipe. Right now, we can bleed water in this through the tank, so it can bring more automatically bring more water. So from now, as you can see, we are almost ready, and now we are almost here. We are almost finished with our 80%, I think 70% with our fire protection pump. From now, we're gonna work together with my welder, Pasang, the pipe connection through the alarm check valve and the gate valve goes to the supply here. Okay, so now I will gonna measure it all, and then I will see you. I will gonna show it to you later.
I'll Center 11 वर्ष तक निर्माण अवस्था में रखा ये प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जल्दी आयोजन काम में इंसान बचा Gusto mo niwasak nila yung mga natulog at talaga. Kaya ka na ba magsumas na ito? Ini kami perlukan peduli pada kecilnya kehidupan penuh jadi dalam sesuatu untuk sama-sama akan oleh pada ya kehidupan penuh dalam sesuatu yang kata penuh dengan kebahagiaan dan dengan anak ilalah kealasan hati ini kata misalnya kamu bisa berjalan dari perempuan kamar tidak kami mekanikal bukan saking berkata ini bukan saking berkata sangat menyakitkan berkata menjadi seterusnya kami garip
Good. After welding this side, tacking. Nice. Check. Now, as you can see, I already have the connection for our distribution pipe. As you can see here, this is the gate valve, 4-inch gate valve, and the best part is of being pipe fitter and pipe protection installer is how to install this protector alarm check valve. This is the very for me this is the very challenging because this is have a little connections and then it's very hard. But as I finish and you can check it. Okay, and here's the pipe going up here outside, and I'm just let it dry because I put the
boya
primer paint. So see you tomorrow, guys. You can see we already connect the pipe line, goes to the supply, goes to the boxes and sprinkler. So now I'm gonna be focusing on the connection of this very challenging bulb. This is called the protector for 4-inch alarm check bulb. As you can see, there's a lot of connection for the retarded drain, alarm and retard connection, and this pressure gauge and the drain. So as you can see, there's a lot of description and parts, and good luck to me. Here are the materials for our vertical component trim for our alarm check bulb. This is called the sprinkler alarm, limit switch, the protector retard chamber, of course pressure gauge, nipples, check bulbs, T, glow bulbs, onions, and I'm gonna show you how to put the proper Teflon on the threaded parts. So you gotta put it like this, roll, 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 roll. As you can see, it's a perfect perfect roll. Other side. So later on, guys, I will show you this is already attached on the bulb. Okay. Huh?
আইডি না দেখাও না।
It's very big to. It's important to be on same type, because if you will not type the same, then the adjustment of this nipple length, they're gonna be sometimes long and short. So it's depend on your adjustment. Almost done.
Remove by a tight. Fast, huh? I don't know here.
As you can see, I finished the alarm check bulb. It's so hard, huh? This is the retarded, and this is the alarm sprinkle bell, and the mostly is the manifold for this connection. And this will be connected to this device will be connected to the fire box control. So tomorrow will be gonna be the busy day, because it's gonna be the testing day. So hopefully we can make it. Good morning. We are now on hydro testing, and then hopefully no leak. Now we are on feeding time. Feeding Moya water in the tank. Good day everyone, I'm deofrey baconguis, a fire protection installer of addeya'eyyah company. Now I show you how to install a firehouse cabinet. A firehouse cabinet with a elevation of 86.5 by 86.5, and hose name in the attachment hose name, and also the back. First, we just need an instrument of spanner. together with my welder and assistant, Pasang Sherpa. Hello there. Now, I'll start to show up to you how to install this. Here is the gate valve. Now, I'm gonna install this. Here. Just a little bit tight. And the bracket. Also the fibers there, which is have a 30 meters length.
Too much heavy?
Yes. And attach this pipe to the elbow. It's not a little bit tight because if you more tight, you will tight more. This is just hand tight or just not too much tight. There you are. You can open. First, you can roll the pipe, unroll the pipe, the hose. This had 30 meters length. Now you can open the valve. Okay, take it.
Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Deofrey Baconguis of addeya'eyyah Technical Establishment and Safety Devices, installer of fire protection equipment such as a sprinkler, fire hose cabinet, FM200, and fire hose box, and pump rooms, and fire protection pump. Now I'm here in my site in Saudi. This is 300 sprinkler heads with 3 zones. Now I'm now here lifting the gate bulb for the connection for my first zone. And now I'm gonna install it now. Thank you. Now I'm lifting 6-inch RWGVOSY FLX FL open left. I will gonna install it on that corner. So this is the first zone, and I have here 100 sprinkler. And now the 6-inch bulb is almost ready to install. We need to have a chain block because this is very heavy. We'll just need for the bolt and nut and the spanner. This is the first zone going to that connection upside. And this we have here another check bulb and control zone bulb. So I will let you see if this is done already. And this connection is for the second zone and the third zone. Here are the branch lights and the main lights. The sprinkler. Hello guys, after I lift up the 6-inch gate bulb for the 6-inch connections for the zone 1, and here now I lift up 4-inch gate bulb for the connection of mainline 4-inch mainline for the fire hose boxes. We separate the mainline for the 4-inch box for the 4-inch boxes. Fire hose cabinet, we separate it, and then we separate it from the mainline of sprinkler. So we have two mainline. We have mainline for 6-inch for sprinkler and 4-inch for fire hose cabinets, and that is 8 boxes in total. So after I install it, I will let you check it. Okay. We are now installing a 4-inch bulb together with my assistant pipe fitter, Mutawa. What your real name? Muhammad Asgar. He is already 10 years in Saudi. And now we will show you how to install this 4-inch pipe, 4-inch bulb. Because this 6-inch bulb I show you earlier, we already installed it. And now we need to have very safety movements. Okay. Hello guys. They should be one by one. This my partner is Muhammad Asgar. He is also a pipe fitter. Yes, very good. Okay, cut. Now we are almost done with our fittings of 4-inch gate bulb. We are now on final tightening. You give me this one piece here. Oh, you tighten it this side. Okay, just continue. This one, Muhammad. Okay, tight the other side. Careful. Good day, everyone. Once again, I am Deofrey Baconguis of addeya'eyyah Technical Establishment for Safety Devices, installer of fire protection devices such as sprinklers, fire hose cabinets, smoke detectors, heat detectors, FM200, and fire protection pump rooms. And now here I lift up 6-inch check bulbs. I'll install this check bulb for my for our zone control bulbs. So zone control bulbs is a composite of gate bulbs, check bulb, butterfly bulbs, and pressure gauge and a drain. So later on I will gonna show it to you after I install this all. So Have a good day. Hello once again. Now after we lit the 6-inch this check bulb, we now install it to this first zone connection with this next from the gate bulb, and here is the check bulb. Next, the pipe, and then the butterfly bulb, together with my assistant Muhammad Awis, assistant pipe fitter. Okay, so bye for now. Okay, good afternoon. We are now tightening pipe connection, flange connection, bolt connection for our connection going to the makina. Now we're almost ready, and we are just waiting for our makina to install. So I will tight this. Okay.
देखिन्छ यो त्यही पागलको पुरा यसको अनि चाहिने हेर नि त यसलाई अनि पुरा रेकर्डै
So this main. The requirements for hydro pressure is 200 psi for fire protection. We just need to put on 200 psi. Okay. And we will wait for the result for hydro testing for 1 hour. Okay. Good morning, guys. Now installing air release bulb, ARB, for fire protection. This is good for air releasing, because sometimes the problem of fire protection are air corrosion, stain inside, and then this is good for solving problem for air releasing for pipe, because sometimes pipes are not fully full with water. If we have ARV, automatically air space will be full of water. Okay, now we will start now welding. Good morning, guys. Once again, this is Deofrey of addeya'eyyah Technical Establishment for Safety Devices, installer of sprinkler, fire protection pumps, fire extinguishers, fire protection fire hose reels, and FM200. Now, after a series of testing, hydraulic and pressure testing, we hit the good pressure, and it doesn't come down. It's 150 psi. And now we are gonna removing the plugs after we successfully no hub leakage, and we are now installing this upright sprinkler. This is what we call sprinkler heads. These have a lid. Now we have the lid. This is the one who will burst when the fire comes up, and then goes. Actually, there's two kind of sprinkler. This one is upright, and the other one is pendant. Pendant means down. Okay. So now we will change now from plug to sprinkler. Good day. Now we are releasing water after removing the plug. Change the sprinkler and upright sprinkler. So we'll just wait till the water goes down. protection. Good. Guys, good morning. Once again, this is deofrey baconguis of addeya'eyyah technical establishment, installer of fire protection equipment such as sprinkler, FM200, fire hose cabinet, fire hose box, and fire protection pump rooms. Now, as you can see, this is our alarm check valve. Now, this is indicated 0. Now, we're gonna testing hydraulic testing. So now, as you can see, the gauge is 0, and here also in the machine is 0. By the way, guys, this is our juggy pump. This is our diesel pump, and this is our electrical pump. Now, as you can see, the gauge is 0. Now this is the panel bulb. This is for the electric pump, electric machine, and this is for the manual diesel machine, and this is for our jockey pump. Now, to make water sustain and pipe, so now we're gonna start all by switching all these machines. This first. So, as you can hear, the machine is automatically stopped because of the pressure limit switch. And now the maintaining now, and then the pressure gauge stops to 10 bars. Oh. Now we have water inside the pipe. So this is our electrical pumps lever, and this is our mechanical diesel lever. So we gotta also this put on auto, and also for our jockey pump in case of emergency. They are all in auto position. Okay, we back on our alarm check bulb. Now, as you can see, they are all on the indicators. Now for test, we are already finished testing our electrical machine for our fire protection pump. Now we gotta test the jockey pump. So I gotta, as you can see, the lever is up, so it means that has water inside. So I gotta pull down, release the water. See? Automatically the gauge goes down. So we gotta on again. So we gotta testing the jockey pump machine. The jockey pump here. Now, as you can see, I off the electrical machine and also the diesel machine. So what we gotta test now is the jockey pump. See, as you can hear, it goes up again. As you can see, the lever is goes auto side. This is the jockey pump. So now we gotta release it again. We gotta turn it off because we will testing the diesel machine. That's now we are gonna test the diesel machine. Now the diesel machine lever is here and it goes indicates off, so we gotta start now. So automatically stop, and we will check the pressure gauge. Indicated. So now we already testing all the machines, and we go now to all switch on auto positions. This is the diesel machine, this is the jockey pump, and this is the diesel makina. Good day, guys. We just wait for the government inspector, the civil defense, and then the Mudon. Actually, the Mudon owns the land here, so that's why they are in charge of checking all the fire protection here. So we just wait for them, and then just for now, I say goodbye.